Notice the music. We're gonna. Ain't no mountain high enough. Okay. Sit. We. This is Frankie Danky and I'm Bobby Smooch. And we're gonna squeeze every last bit of information out of your celebs. And you gotta tell us about your life. Okay, so welcome. Tell me about yourself, please. You go first, celeb. What's your name?
Sarah.
Yeah, continue.
Well, I don't know what to say.
What are all your secrets?
My secrets are,
You must tell us.
meh,
Do you like pepperoni?
kinda.
Okay, good. Pass on the microphone, please. Tell me about you, sir. Tell me about you, sir.
My name is Daddy, and my secret is that I don't have secrets.
No, what? No! We must squeeze them out of you. Squeeze. Okay. We will come back to you, sir, when you are more vulnerable. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, no, I'm not just the audience?
Well, audience are important too.
Oh. Hi.
Tell me about you. Tell me all your secrets.
I'm Betty Schmetty. And my secret is that I'm your biggest fan!
Well, I will autograph your hand later.